Hey folks, no class this week, but I do have a quick announcement. So for the next few weeks, I'm gonna be taking a short break from making my tutorial videos, and instead, we're gonna mix things up a little bit. I am gonna be taking several trips over the next few weeks, and while I'm gone, I'm gonna be meeting up with a lot of other people who, like me, make YouTube videos for a living. One of the things that I've always loved is finding out about other people's creative process. And so while I'm around these creative professionals, we're gonna talk to them about their process. We're also gonna find out what motivates them, the challenges that they faced along the way, and hopefully make it really educational and entertaining for you at home. So here is the current lineup. The first stop on my trip is Burlington, Vermont. And while I'm up there, I'm gonna be meeting with Eva Sollberger, who is the brains behind the YouTube channel Stuck in Vermont. Eva has produced over 600 videos. She is a brilliant journalist and certified cool person. We're also gonna meet up with Matt Benedetto, AKA Unnecessary Inventions, AKA this guy here with Kelly Clarkson. After that, we're gonna be meeting up with Morgan Gould, who is the creative talent behind the YouTube channel Gould Farm. Morgan's channel has had incredible growth over the last couple of months, and to be honest with you, before I met him, I had no idea that farm channels were a thing. Apparently they are. After that, we're headed to Los Angeles, California to attend an event called Vlog University, whose keynote speaker is the one and only Justine, also known as Justine Azaric. Now, in addition to Justine, there's also gonna be a lot of other people who make YouTube videos at that convention, and so I'm gonna crack out some new vlogging equipment, and I'm gonna talk to them about their craft. So stay tuned, we've got a lot coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America, and I'll see you next time in Vermont. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.